Hello guys! Woo!
Dito na naman kaming dalawa.
Dito na naman kami sa Damam, nagbabicycle. Dahil ang aming mga trabaho ay maghapong nakaupo, so kailangan naming mag-exercise. So, bicycle namin, pareho. Very nice, very good, very nice view here. Oh, see? In the Corniche or dagat. Yan. Very nice. It's safe. Safe dito kasi walang sasakyan. So dito lang. Ayan. Yun oh. Ganda talaga dito oh. Oh, yan oh. You know. Nice. This is everyday routine from yesterday. Ang mag-bicycle pag galing ng office para fit at pagpawisan.
Your current heart rate is 110. Your current heart rate is 108. Your current heart rate is below your target range. Try to stay between 119 and 165.